Hey Pam, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with Liz, promised this free video. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to show you a couple of tips that you could do to continue to build and increase traffic online and potentially, improve upon your website a little bit. I'm going to be very nitpicky just because, you guys are killing it in so many ways. So, whoever you have doing your website and your SEO and handling your stuff is doing a really good job, and they're keeping you on top, and you're really destroying the market. So this is going to be very nitpicky, and take these and give it to your marketing company, or if you're doing it in house, feel free to use this and just do what you want with it. So with that, let me get going. You're killing Austin. You guys are definitely doing a lot of good things. You're ranking for Austin Metal Roofing, Metal Roofing Austin and Metal Roofing Austin, Texas. You're number one in those particular, obviously your name, Green Knight Roofing, but those keywords, those buyer intent keywords, you're ranking number one. So you're bringing in 150 searches a month just in those particular keywords. But one thing I did notice when I was looking through everything is that areas like Georgetown, you guys, you're not ranking above the third page on any of that stuff. So if I wanted to, for instance, build up Georgetown, I would look at some of the volume, and I did do a search of Georgetown, and there's 2,000, almost 2,000 searches a month for roofing of some way, shape, or form in that, in Georgetown. 1,500 searches in San Marcos, and 2,600 in New Braunfels. I'm not sure how exactly far you go. I do know you go into Georgetown, so that's quite a bit of volume that you're potentially missing out on, that you can, like I said, build and grow and continue to do work. And so just building up those that location page. There's not a ton of volume that I found in Round Rock. I didn't look at Leander or Dripping Springs, but there is quite a bit of volume in Georgetown. So, especially with that page, build that up. Add a lot of content. Make sure your keywords are in headings. Like these headings are really important for keywords, because that's what Google crawls first. So, make sure those headings are appropriate, and the same thing with the text. Have those keywords within text and saved as images, and you really build those back pages up to where you can start ranking and bringing in traffic through those back pages. So that would be my first tip. My second tip would just be to continue to build this Google Business Profile up. So, even though you're ranking on metal roofing, I mean, you can rank for pretty much anything. So, like, say I wanted to rank for roofing contractor Austin, right? If I wanted to do that with my Google Business Profile, I would, keep building up my reviews. Those are important for authenticity and validation that you're a business and you're continuing to work for Google. And really, if you can get it organically, if you can get one or two even reviews a week, that's 100 reviews or so a year. And after 2 or 3 years, I mean, you have hundreds of reviews. So really important to keep that up through a CRM, through maybe your installers have a QVC code that goes right to your review that you can build up that way. So really important to continue to add 5-star reviews on here. Also, these this information here, you want consistent throughout the web. So uh, so say you have a Yelp page, for instance, right? And on the Yelp page it says that you're open 7 to 6. That inconsistency Google doesn't like. They want to see that somebody who searches on Google gets the same information on Yelp as they do your Google Business Profile, as they do your website. So making sure that this information, your phone number, your website, your address, your hours, all this is consistent throughout the web is important. And then photos. You want to add photos that are saved as specific keywords. So, say roofing contractor Austin, Texas is something I want to rank for. I'll save a photo as that, and I might geotag it for one of these roofs. And Google thinks that, oh, they must have done that roof in that area. So Really important to geotag and save photos as keywords. There's obviously a lot more to it, but I'm just trying to keep things simple. So you can link all this stuff to your social media accounts. There's a lot of things you can do. So definitely do those three things, and that'll help build and grow your Google Business profile. And then lastly, just continue to strengthen and build up your site by adding referring domains and continuing to add backlinks. I mean, obviously stuff that you're already doing and doing a great job of. Because just to show you, this is Longhorn Roofing, and they have a little bit more referring domains than you guys have. Uh, Not quite as strong a site because the links that you're getting obviously are better than theirs. And you are ranking on uh, not quite as many keywords. You're not getting as much traffic, but the traffic you are getting obviously is really good, and it's working out for you. So um, you know those are my three tips. You got, like I said, you guys are already doing a great job. uh, you know I would just keep doing what you're doing, but we did promise this free video, so I wanted to shoot it out anyway. So if you have any questions, if you want to reach out and speak with us, please feel free. Our contact information is in the email. I also have a link to my Google Calendar. You can schedule out a time to chat with myself or my business partner, Jackie, who's there in Texas with you. So, with that, have a great day and God bless. Bye.